So how do you do the iPhone password change? Let me show you how you're going to do it for multiple different reasons and purposes. Let's get started. If it's your first time on Foxtecc, subscribe so you never miss videos like this one. Okay, first of all, you have the ability to open up your settings app, tap on your Face ID and a passcode menu, and in there you have the change code button available. This obviously applies to the 4 or 6-digit code which you type in every time you want to unlock the device. So if you mean that, this is where you can change it. You can see we have the change the passcode and you have the ability to come up with a new one. So that is the way for unlocking the device. When it comes to the Apple account password, the iCloud Apple ID, which you use to get apps and sign into your Apple devices, this can be found instead in the main settings app under the profile and at the top. Inside the sign in and security, there is the change password section. So this is the iCloud Apple ID password change. As I said, if you are signing in to a new iPhone or the App Store, the iCloud email and all of that, this is the password which you can change. So you can most definitely tap on it and see if you can come up with a new one, which you most definitely should have the ability to do. Outside of that, you can as well check the Passwords Manager app and see if you by any chance do not have it saved. So perhaps you don't have to change it. And if it's saved and stored in here, you can know what it is and you can then decide if you want to change it or not. So it is all up to you, obviously, but this is how you can do this. I hope I was able to show you how it works. In case you have some other specific questions about this, let me know below in the comments. But for now, that's going to be about it, and I'll see you in the future uploads.